everyone, it's Woda again, and welcome to another installment of my Google Sheets tutorials here today. We're going to talk about sorting and filtering data in Google Sheets, so let's just get after it. So I've got some sample data here. I just made a few things here just to demonstrate what to do here. So this is a pretty straightforward concept as far as of sorting data. We've got names, dates, and numbers here, which is what's in the checklist to go over. So it's pretty simple. The way that I usually do this, if we're going to go by name here and put that in all of this data in alphabetical order, we definitely want, obviously, this data to follow. So if Zach, obviously is going to go to the bottom, we want all of this stuff to go to the bottom with him. So the way that we're going to do that is we're going to highlight this selection of data here like this from A2 over here to C6. And then we're going to go over here to data. Now we can do this since we're just trying to do the first row here or the first column here. We can go ahead and just select something that's already been created here. So we're going to sort this range, because what we've done is select a range from A to Z or from Z to A, but it's going to do it according to, see what's in bold there, column A. So we're going to click that, and that's going to put all this data in nice alphabetical order for us. And you'll notice that all of the stuff in the test column, the score column, the date column, the score column all went along with the data. So everything's intact the way that it should be. But let's say we want to also sort this data now. Instead of alphabetical order, we want to do it based on the date that the test was taken. It's the same kind of procedure. We want to make sure we select the entire group of the data so that everything follows along. Go to data. This time we're going to go all the way down here to where it says sort range. And we'll click that, and that's going to bring this little pop-up guy up. So we want this time to sort based on column B. We're going to do this by dates, right? So we're going to go here to sort by column B, and then do we want it to go in ascending order or descending order? I'll pick ascending order here and hit sort, and then you'll notice everything kind of shifted the way that it's supposed to go, right? So the furthest date away is at the top, and the most recent date is at the bottom. And then one more time, we'll sort this based on score, and it's the same procedure, right? We've highlighted a range of data. Go to data, sort range, and then over to column C this time, because we're going to sort it from over here, and we'll hit sort, and now we have it lowest to highest score, like that. So that's kind of how sorting works. Now, one other thing I want to mention, and this is super cool when you start manipulating data and you're trying to figure things out, especially based on more than one criteria, right? So this is called filtering data. And so the way that we're going to do this is we're going to create a filter area. So this time I'm going to select all of the data, including the header rows. I'm going to go to data, and then I'm going to go down here to create a filter. So once we do that, we'll notice these little triangles show up at the very top row, and that is good. So what we can do with this now, if you want to, and I did this on purpose, see I have two dates of the exact same date. So if I'm looking for a specific, who took the test on 8/15/2019, I can click this little upside down triangle and go down here and uncheck the ones that aren't the date that I'm looking for, right? Hit OK, and now it's going to just remove temporarily. It's still there. You'll notice the row numbers go from 1, 4, 5, 7, right? So those other rows are still there. They're just hidden at the moment to help me identify, that Zach and Madison both took the test on that one date. So to bring everything back, I just hit that. You'll notice the triangle turned into a filter, right? That's how you know that. They're a little funnel. We'll click the funnel, select all, OK, and everything comes back. There you go. So this is really cool. You can do a bunch of stuff with this. Let's look at this. You can sort the range by this. You can sort it by the color of the cell. So if you have some of them highlighted a different color, filter it by condition, which just means is it empty? Is it not empty? The dates. I mean, there's all kinds of options in here. By values, which is what we were doing. So there's a lot of different ways that you can drill down data so that you can quickly identify what you're looking for. So I hope that was helpful. That's sorting and filtering data. A very simple explanation. But if you got something more complicated you need some help with, you can always get a hold of me, wodajr@collins-cc.edu, or on Twitter @mrwoda. So have a great day. Bye.